Hey guys, Justin Labato here in Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase DP's GR4 Graphene coating. Now, if you haven't heard, graphene is the latest in surface technology for coatings in the industry of detailing. By far, it offers some of the glossiest effects in regards to the finish when you apply this, especially with DP GR4 graphene coating. This is something that's super easy to apply. That way you could move forward with doing not just one, but multi-layers if you choose. That way it gives you a super glossy finish, and best of all, it lasts up to 4 years in just a single application. So therefore, you're gonna get the benefits of everything you would with traditional ceramic coatings, but now you're taking it to the next level with DP's GR4 graphene coating, giving you up to 4 years, super slickness, super shiny, and very easy to apply. For any more information about DP's GR4 graphene coating, visit autogeek.com.